found this historical church, Virginia Dale Community Church, established. This is Highway 287 right here, but it's an active church still. Well, so it's active. Sunday service at 4 p.m. So it's an afternoon church, but so it's an active old church, but they have a graveyard. So I've only been to an actual couple graveyards. I've been to, I think, 3. Maybe off the road. An active, that's cool. This is the cool paintings of the church. Look at this. It has an old look to it. Yeah, this was just malfunctioning. I think I'm going to redo some paintings all over of this church. But they left it open and unlocked. Looks like an old... It's pretty cool. Look at the chandelier. This is cool. The old Bibles and stuff. Oh, I was just seeing this. Watch out. Virginia Dale Community Church, established 1880, destroyed by an asteroid fire in 2003 and rebuilt in 2004, placed by Overland Trail Chapter, and I don't know what that is, NSDAR, in 2024. And that's a Rotary Club. Daughters of the American Revolution. But they did a pretty good job of making it look old again. I thought it was old. The newer foundation of it. Look at, they have an old outhouse over there. They rebuilt it. Someone left the door open, but I shut it for them. Blank headstone. This old headstone. I got another one right here. They even redid these ones that are at this old historical cemetery, but they got some original ones too. But even here on this graveyard, they redid the headstones. Amy, I don't even want to pronounce the last name. 1884 to 1913. Wasn't that old? Was it like 19? No, it's more than 19, sorry. Look how old this one looks. Carmela, wife of, it's hard to read that, I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. It's Charles Neal. Looks like a lot of these have the same last name. And on to an angel, a cowboy. July 14th, 1936. Laid to rest July 7th, 1989. Very close to his birthday. No staff those. To this one, come on. With it small, but good job of making it look old. R3. That's a really old one. It's so faded, or so worn, I should say. Wrong side. No. That was almost 100. Or was that a woman? Carleen Boyd. October 30th, 1933, September 29th, 2020. I hope COVID didn't kill him. Here's another Boyd family. Oh, there's an unmarked grave right there. You can see the outline of it. This guy on the left is not Raymond. July 13th, 1936. He's still alive. W. Lee. Okay, I just saw something. I wanted to point this out. This area, there's probably deer over here, but there's definitely pronghorn here. And so they're trying to protect this graveyard. So they put this up right here so the deer and pronghorns don't get it. But also I just saw this. I'm not going to try to see if that's live, but it looks in really good condition. Electric fence. See that red so people don't actually touch it, but it goes around the perimeter of this fence. Norma, 1931 to 2016. So there's Norma. I wonder if her last name was Bates. And I wonder if there's Norman around here. Hey, Dent. Is there Harvey around here? I'm looking for Harvey. Tell me where Harvey Dent is. Highlight just last year. Stop that. Put antlers there, but it might be the wedding ring. Somebody's ring. That's cool. They made a cross out of railroad ties or stakes. They may turn a regular rock into a headstone. What's wrong? That looks like a original one. It's pretty beat up. See, there's Piece of it's gotten beat up a little bit and it's pretty worn. What's wrong? She's just hiding behind me from something. Watch out! Get off the grave. Look at this. The etched in their picture. Keep your hat off. Cinnamon. This guy was almost 100. Look at that. February 4th, 1929. Died October 2023. So he died last year. Almost a year. Oh, look at this. They put this here. Look.